Good day, my people. I'm here to ask the leaders of Igbo land some questions. I want to know if the leaders of Igbo land are here to protect us or they are here to sell us out. Now, our people, the Igbo race, have been complaining of insecurity for so many years. The governors of the southeast states, none of them is talking about insecurity. None of them is talking about the menace of Fulani herdsmen. The senators of Igbo land, our senators that are representing us in the House of Senate Abuja, none of them is talking about Fulani herdsmen. None of them is talking about the killings of their own people. Our representatives from the southeast representing us in Abuja are not saying anything concerning the killing of our people by Fulani herdsmen. The only thing they are good in doing is to sit down in their position, sit down in Abuja, eating money, doing nothing. This is what we are now seeing in Igbo land. The people who are supposed to be there on our behalf are just there to make money. Now, what are the kings in Igbo land doing? So many kings in Igbo land are sellouts. Not be everybody where they call king be king. Some of them are weapon fashioned against the Igbo race. You will see a community complaining that Fulani herdsmen are killing them. They will be crying bitterly, calling on the government to come for their rescue. You know what? Their king have already given their bush, their forest to Fulani herdsmen to occupy. And when those herdsmen start killing the community people, the king will not say anything. The king will just be quiet. And when those community enter the bush and catch those Fulani herdsmen, if they start interviewing them, they will start saying that they paid the king of this community before they settled here. And when they ask the king of that community, he will say, yes, it's true. It's true, and those people have been killing your people. You are not saying anything. You know the root cause. They paid you, and you just took the money and kept silence while your people are dying. If to say, now communities will get mine, they will dethrone that Yeye king. I have seen it with my own eyes before I even started hearing all this in the news. They pay so many of these community heads, so many of these kings before they settle in those bushes. And that's why you will see that so many of our kings are not saying anything concerning the killing of our people by these Fulani herdsmen. And our governors, our senators, our representatives, and our kings in Igbo land have sold us out. This thing diverts me. All over the country, people are dying, and the people in power are not saying anything about it. All they know is Akpabio this, Natasha that, Wike this one, Fubara that. That is the only thing. They are there protecting the crude oil in River State because of explosion there. Because they don't burst pipeline for them. That is just their interest. If they say the people of River State just they fight each other, they kill each other without the no burst pipeline, you know we even see army there, they do state of emergency. But because I say that they burst pipeline, they don't fool that place now. Igbo land just empty, no protector. The time for we Igbos to start voting against these governors in Igbo land is now. Let's start removing all these governors. We can do it. If you say, this governor, we don't want you again, step down. He will step down. All my xenophobia at the house. Only about the Mexico so people where they say the governor, they give money, they go to protect the governor, they protect the interest. Let's start protesting against these governors. We don't want you people. Leave us alone. You are not there for us. You are there for your selfish interest. All these kings you are seeing, taking money from all these Fulani herdsmen and occupying our bush. We can remove those kings. No be king get that throne. Now the people get them. And now the people go choose who go rule them. If a king is a sellout, remove that king. Let another lineage occupy that throne. A lineage that will be speaking up for the people. If a representative and the senator is not representing us well, we speak against that person. Bring him out from that place. Let another person occupy that position. That is how a country with same people behave. If you go US, that's what they do. Any senator will no good. They go impeach and come out from that place. Our own not there like that. As far as our governors, senators, representatives, and kings in Igbo land are sellouts, just know that there is a big problem. The leaders in Igbo land are our major problem. Until we remove these people, they won't take us serious. A people without good leadership are in big trouble. The only way for us to liberate ourselves is to stop these bad leaders from using our life to play politics. Ishewale.